Saudason is absent today, unfortunately. So let's start with sleep maintenance. And this is the public meeting on PipeCD. And PipeCD is a sandbox project of CNCF. And so we follow the CNCF code of conduct. Then let's start today's agenda. First of all, let's talk about events and community resources. And we have mainly two events. And first and next month, August, we will attend PipeCon Hong Kong. And we have a kiosk and presentation. So Kai-san and from car models maintenance, we have talk about this topic, unlocking capability and simplifying multi-cloud management with car model and the PipeCD. So please come to see this presentation. And also we have a kiosk, so we can talk casually in the kiosk. And next, in Japan, there will be a Cube Day Japan on August, and also we have a kiosk and the presentation. The presentation is about our journey from in-house CD systems to open source by Joe-san. So for mainly the main developers in Japan, please come to the Cube Day Japan. Let's discuss. Any comments? Okay, no problem. Okay. Okay, then let's move on to the development. First of all, about the release and roadmap. And this week, this last Monday, we released version 0.48.2. And it includes mainly three notable changes about ECS, and group mentioning for Slack group mentioning for Slack, and we added a port annotation for PipeCD helm. Okay, then let's talk about our development progress of each members. So first of all, Mr. Kind-san, please go ahead.
Okay, so about my task, I'm mainly working on the plugin interface of PipeCD version 1. And we have discussed with the team, and we have some motto that we want to share here as the motto for the PipeCD version 3. And I'm sorry, version 1. And that would be no more platform and KAI concept in PipeCD. Up to now, we said that we support 5 KAI application, which means it supports the Kubernetes, Terraforms, ECS that we call the KAI and platform. But for the PipeCD version 1, we think that the KAI itself would block the implementation for the platform plugin. Say for instance, if some plugin that we create by the community, if it's required to make a PR to the main repo to make that KAI available as the official KAI, then it's blocked the PipeCD from supporting multiple KAI at the same time as well. Also, if say for instance, if we have the Kubernetes plugin and we have multiple versions of the Kubernetes, then we should be the official and so on. So we think that the KAI concept itself in the PipeCD currently will block many things. So we think that we will remove the Kai concept from the PipeCD. And in case of using Kai up to now, the Kai only be used as the concept, and it be used as the filter for the application, for the deployment, and so on. So we prefer to add the label Kai something something in case of using Kai in the model. And we may implement the migration tool using the PipeCD's. Also, for you all to migrate from the current Kai model to the Kai level. And also for the platform provider, up to now, it has too many logic that it should not contain. I mean, at the start, when we think about the platform provider, we think that it should be the place, it should be the cluster, it should be the way for the PipeCD to connect to the target cluster so that the PipeCD can deploy the application over there. But when we add more and more features, say the drift detection or the live state, we implement that logic depends on the platform provider. We make the platform provider hold more than it should be. So at this point, we think that we will remain the platform provider, but to only be the place, the data, we mean to where to deploy for the PipeCD. So maybe we can rename it as the deploy target or something to ensure that it remains that it's only mean to where to which cluster and where to deploy the application to. So those chain will be implemented by the PipeCD team, and it would be marked as deprecated, and we will introduce a migration tool if need. So it's not user effect as a breaking change, so please don't worry too much. And also the second motto about the PipeCD plugins, which is we agree that PipeCD would be only the place to combine the plugin output. So basically, many of the current PipeCD logic will be pushed as the plugin, and the PipeCD basically will request to each of each plugin on creating deployment plan, on executing deployment plan, on fetching the live state, on fetching the drift detection, and so on. And the PipeCD will remain as the place to combine the plugin output. So basically, it will free from many logic currently. And also, we have a thought about the bootstrap flow for the PipeCD version 1. We think that the flow would be first we install the plugin using some kind of script, and the install plugin would be a simple binaries, and it could be managed as a system service. We produce a feature which is the system will automatically restart the plugin on fail. And after that, the PipeCD configuration will contain the way to connect the endpoint of the plugin, which basically is a gRPC endpoint. And the PipeCD at the time it start will ping every installed plugin to make the connection. And after that, if anything wrong with the PipeCD, then this PipeCD could be restarted by the launcher. I mean the current PipeCD launcher. So with this kind of pattern, if anything get wrong, the PipeCD could be restarted completely easy, and also the plugin and the PipeCD is remain as stateless component. So it's okay to any of those things fail because it be restart by some kind of components. So I think it's the bootstrap flow that we think that we could go in implement it for the PipeCD version 1. Okay, that's all from me.
So much. And development of PipeCD V1 program is very long journey. So if it the release of PipeCD V1 it comes, and then we will announce again and about how to use it and how to develop it and how to migrate it.
Yes.
Cost.
It's the whole other process.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. This is a great big epic for PipeCD. Okay, then next, Joe-san, please go ahead.
Okay, now I'm planning to implement the way to deploy to the multiple cluster for Kubernetes. So this is a big issue, and this is now empty. So this is just plannings. So, but in this issue, I want to find efficient way to deploy Kubernetes resources to multiple clusters. And now, currently, I'm making a draft RFC, and we'll soon share it, and then let's discuss about it. That's all.
Yeah, thank you so much. This is also the important epic for the PipeCD about redesigning the concept of application deployment. So please comment to the RFC, guys. Okay. Then let me talk about my development progress. And I have 4 topics. One is the live state store for ECS. The PR is already merged, and this is for the next one. Live state UI for ECS. And if even this is the merged and released, the resource graph of ECS will be shown in the console like this. And the third one is from review for Lambda. This is already in review. And the fourth one is after next I review the supporting OIDC for the SSO control plane. So if this is merged and when this is merged and released, the users can log into the console by OIDC without GitHub account, and so on. Yeah, that's all for me. And Sauta-san is absent today, but I talk about short, and he's working on the registering all the terminal that's provided to send traces and related it how to display the send traces. And besides, he's also working for the PipeCD V1 plugin with Mr. Kain. Okay. So do you have any other topics to discuss or share? No?
For me, I think I don't have any things to share.
Okay, thank you so much. Hi-san, how about you?
I think not. I'm only the Sawara-san working with me on the plugin interface.
Yeah.
Otherwise, I'm not touching anything else. So, okay, well, I think it's fair enough for today. We just absent, so we can check the information later.
Yeah, okay. And yeah, today we have the public meeting, and the next meeting is next week. So July 31st in Japanese. So please come to the meeting and let's discuss.
Okay.
That's all for today. Okay, thank you so much. See you again.
You,
Thank you.
You-
you again.